announced a new policy that will take effect from July 15th, 2025, and trust me when I say that new policy change shook the entire AI faceless community. Now, over the past couple of days, I've seen a lot of reactions from people saying AI videos cannot be monetized again. Some saying AI channels are dead, but here's one thing that is very sure. Not so many people understand this new policy change, and that is exactly the reason I am making this video, to break down what this new policy change actually means. Also, in the course of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you type of channels that are currently at risk and few strategies that you can implement in the future to make sure that your contents are safe. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or you're getting to see my face for the first time, my name is Divine Kennedy, and I've grown multiple faceless channels and monetized them right here from Nigeria. And not only that, I've been interviewed by top YouTubers on my success on YouTube automation. So you're welcome once again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're not going to miss out on any of our content. Now, without any further ado, let us understand this YouTube new policy change. Let's start from the first part. What if I tell you that this policy wasn't even new at all? I mean, YouTube has had this policy for the longest, which is originality and quality. So I want you and I to go through this policy. Let's read it. Now, this new policy reads as follows. In order to monetize as part of the YouTube Partners Program, YPP, YouTube has always required creators to upload original and authentic content. On July 15, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. These updates better reflect what inauthentic content looks like today. Now, I want us to take back a sentence that this policy contains. So, when I say that YouTube has always had this policy, since it's even not a new policy, let's take it again. YouTube has always required creators to upload original and authentic content. Now, the two main things that the new policy are concentrated on is low quality content and repetitious content. Now, what do I mean by low quality content? Contents that you just use 10 minutes to create and just upload it on the platform like that. That means your content is not passing any value. You're just copying and pasting script from ChatGPT down to a voiceover app, just put it together, and you're putting visuals that don't match. You just push it like that. No, those are low quality content. Before coming to share this video, I did a lot of research on this particular new YouTube update. And after some research, in my case, I found out some channels that might be targeted by this new YouTube policy, in my own opinion. And of course, I'm going to be sharing with you my reasons I said they might be targeted by this new YouTube policy. Now, channels like this, they are actually pushing out low effort, high volume format of content in a short period of time, which can signal it was automated by a bot. They are uploading 1 hour long form content, and right here they just have just one template for a thumbnail, as if they just have a template. Now, YouTube wants your faceless channel or your channel to have a sort of human touch. They're not against you using AI too, but they want your work to include creativity, human touch, and authenticity. All right, now if you actually watch some of these videos, now the stories, the clips, or the visuals are not matching exactly what the story is saying. So over the years of being a YouTuber, there's one thing that I know YouTube of is uploading high quality content on the platform, which is a standard they are looking to maintain, as of course the time keeps going on. Now, the second thing we need to talk about is repetitious content. What do I mean by repetitious content? For example, you see somebody's video, you just download that video and immediately you repost on your channel. Now, if you're looking to react to somebody's video, you need some form of commentary on the video, you need some form of originality. It also needs to contain value. Right? So one thing for sure, if you're actually creating a faceless channel, your videos should be original. Your video should contain value. You should pass on information. Value can come in education, entertainment. So make sure that your videos have a sense of human touch. Now, another channels that YouTube is going to be cracking down on, or YouTube has already started cracking down on, are compilation channels. Just compiling videos together without adding any value, any original commentary, or any original touch to that. No. Content like that, I don't think they're allowed currently with the new YouTube policy that is actually going on. Now, let me drop you to this one advice if you're using AI to run your channel. Now, use AI as a tool, not as a replacement for creativity. People are watching your faceless content and human beings like you and I. So your videos need a human touch, so people could actually relate to your videos, and of course you even grow way more. And number two, see YouTube as a business model, not just as a quick cash out. Most of you are actually doing YouTube automation with the wrong mindset. You just want quick money, but no, YouTube is a long-term platform, and YouTube is a business model that we have been doing for years, and a lot of people have been actually doing this for years. So if you're coming into YouTube automation, come into YouTube automation with the right mindset. Now, YouTube automation, the automation in there doesn't mean effortless. You need to put in the work. Your channel needs that touch of creativity, it needs authenticity, and also it needs to be original, distinctive, unique. And also, if you're looking to create 3D cartoon videos for your Faceless channel, of course it is linked here. You can watch for free, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay winning. Cheers.